Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm super excited for this. I'm gonna be trying out and reviewing the Makartt and Emily Susanah collaboration polygel kit. I love Emily Susanah. She is one of the YouTubers that I watched when I was learning about nails. I absolutely love her channel and her content. She has collaborated with Makartt, which is one of my favorite polygel brands, and I definitely wanted to try this out. So I bought it the second that it launched. I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to review it for you guys. So let me back up first. This is what the box looks like. It is cotton candy inspired. I wanted to open this up so bad yesterday and then put it back together so that I could unbox it for you guys, but I decided to just wait. So let me open this up. Alright, so when you open it up, this is the top of the box. You can pause to read what she says. And here is the kit. And I know that it comes with stuff on top and on the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. So you get an instruction manual, you get a thank you card, and if anyone plans on ordering from Makartt, you can use the Just Add Glitter coupon code to get 15% off. You get a base coat. I really like the packaging too, very sleek. A top coat. You get 4 polygels, which I will be swatching in a little bit. They are 15 milliliters, which is half a fluid ounce. You get 3 glitters, which Emily Susanah loves glitter. She'll put glitter in any set she possibly can, so it's only fitting that there's glitters in here, which I will be showing you what these look like as well. You get a hollow powder with an applicator. You get a 100-180 grit nail file that says Makartt x Emily Susanah. Your nail lab in a box. That's so cute. You get a polygel brush that says Makartt and Emily Susanah as well. And this is just your standard with a brush on one side, spatula on the other. Okay, that is everything in this top layer. And underneath, ooh, more goodies. So underneath you get some gems, and you also get, whoa, these look like little like gummies that you would eat, but they're just, but they're not. So you get some rhinestones and you get some more nail art things. I don't really know what to call them. You get dual form. These dual forms have both curved and straight forms, which I'll show you in a second. You get a mini lamp. And you get some rhinestones. You get a lot of nail art supplies, which is awesome. Alright, and that is everything in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open up a few things and show you what they look like. So first I'm gonna start with this mini lamp. It comes with a cord. Ooh, it's so pretty. It just has little legs like this. And the button is actually this whole top portion, so you would just click and the light will come on, which I will be using this lamp. I also wanted to show you guys the dual forms. Okay, so I'm going to show you that they give you straight forms and curved dual forms. And this is just depending on what fits your nail type. Like if you have flat nail beds or curved nail beds. So here is the curved one. As you can see on the side, it has a curve right around the edge. That's what it looks like from the front. Don't mind my crusty nails. And this is the straight form. So as you can see, there's not as much of a curve, which this might fit certain people's nail beds a little bit better. I'm going to start swatching both the polygels and the glitters. So first we have clear. They all come sealed. Makartt has the clearest polygel on the market that I know of, or that I've tried. The next shade we have is named Marshmallow. Okay, that's a very pretty color. This is the shade Grape Floss. Wow, so pretty. And the last shade is Bubblegum. The packaging is so cute and so pretty, so fun to look at. Definitely matches like the vibe she was going for with cotton candy and just her whole personality. I can just see it all flooding through the packaging and I love it. So I'm going to plug in this mini lamp and I'm gonna go ahead and cure these with the lamp. Alright, so here's what the colors are looking like. I don't mind that little hole I made. But these are some really pretty colors. They're very opaque, so they're not like a jelly or anything. And this clear is very clear as always. Very nice. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what these glitters look like because they are chunky glitters. This is what the glitter looks like. Very pretty. I'm just going to scoop some out. Pretty. We have a pink one. So here's what it's looking like. I think I see some snowflakes in there. That's very cool. Okay, I'm actually gonna pull out one of the snowflakes just to show you. Can you see that? Yes. All right, so it is a snowflake. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some more out. So pretty. And this is the last one, another bluish one. Ooh, this has butterflies in it. Do you guys see that butterfly? That's so cute. And here it is. So pretty. I think I've swatched everything that needs swatching, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the actual nails. All right, so I have my tips on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the base coat that came in the kit to put a layer on all my nails. Right, I'm going to cure this. I have my little mini lamp off to the side. I have the Kiara Sky jelly tips on in the long coffin style if anyone's curious. All right, so now I'm all ready. I'm going to be freestyling this set, so I think I want to start off with this purple color right here, which is grape floss. And I want this on my pinky, and I want my entire pinky covered in this color. This kit didn't come with slip solution, so I'm just going to be using my alcohol. I'm just soaking it in alcohol right now. I'm pressing out any of that packaging powder that's in it to keep it together. I'm just going to use the 2 bead method, which is first apply a bead to the tip of the nail, and then you cure it, and then after I'll apply a cuticle bead where I make the apex. Alright, so I'm curing this for 15 seconds just to freeze it in place while I do the cuticle bead. So now that this entire nail is done, I'm gonna give it a 60-second cure. Alright, so here's what it's looking like. And the next nail I'm gonna do is my pointer finger. I think I wanna make this one pink. This is the bubblegum shape. And in my head, I wanna do my whole nail pink, but I do want glitter at the top. So what I think I'm gonna do is do a very thin layer of this pink. And because this is very stiff, this polygel, which I will talk about like the quality of this polygel and the consistency of it and all that stuff in a few minutes, but afterwards I'll add some glitter and finish up this nail. Alright, so I'm curing that. So now I want to add some glitter. I'm going to use this pink one. I have my fan brush, which I use for glitter. I'm going to pick some up and throw some glitter down. Ooh, I got a snowflake. Ooh. It doesn't take much to amaze me. And now I'm going to pack even more at the top. So pretty. And then depending on the way I have my finger, you can kind of see the snowflake right there. Alright, I'm going to cure that. So now I'm going to encapsulate this with clear. That's why I wanted to make it pretty thin. Alright, so I guess while I'm encapsulating this, I'll explain about how I'm liking the kit so far. I'm really enjoying it, honestly. I think it's very good quality. The formula of the polygel is very consistent with the rest of their polygels. Like, it's just as stiff and it's just as good as quality. I'm having a really easy time moving this product around. I prefer a stiffer polygel, so I'm, for one, really liking it. curing it. I think I've thought of something. I think I want to do like a double slant tip, which in my head it makes sense. I'm not sure if I try and explain it if it'll make sense. So I want to do this pink right here, and I want to make it on a slant right here, and then I want to do another slant of purple and then pink again. Like, it'll, in my head it makes sense, and I'm hoping that it turns out the way I'm thinking of it in my head. So first I'm just going to put this pink around the cuticle, drag this pink up, and try and make a slant. Oh my god, my camera's falling. What in the world? Okay, so I have a slant going. Let me fix up the cuticle, then I'll cure that. Okay, so that's gonna get 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna get my file and I'm gonna sharpen up that line before I add the next color. And now I'm going to add that purple, and I'm gonna do the same thing where I slant it. And now I'm just using my brush to create more of a slant. Okay, so now I have the purple done. I'm gonna cure this. Ooh, should I do a clear tip? Would that be cool? Or should I was just gonna originally do the pink on the tip, but would clear be cool? Maybe with pink glitter? Oh yes, with pink glitter. Yes. A layer of base coat so that the glitter has something to stick to. Okay. All right, this has to get a quick cure so that when I do a clear coat, it doesn't move it around. I think the color choices are really cute too. They just match her so well. And I love that she was the one to get a chance to work with Makartt because she's just so great. I love her content. I really just think that they made a good choice when they chose her. Alright, so here's what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna cure this. Here's what we have. I don't know what I'm gonna do for these two. I think if I did the blue, it would throw off the look. So I think I'm just going to do purple and pink right here. I'm going to fully cover my middle finger with purple and my thumb with pink. Alright, so here are what my nails are looking like. I'm going to first wipe off that sticky layer. Alright, so I finished both hands. I have my dust collector right here. And I'm going to reshape my nails with my 80/80 grit hand file. I would use this one, but I kind of want to keep it nice and pretty and new. I'll be using my BT Art Box drill. In this order, I will be using a needle drill bit to get around the cuticle. This is I think it's like a flame or a cone, something like that. But it is a extra fine ceramic drill bit to file the surface. And then to smooth over, I'll be using a sanding band. Now for the e-file. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of my fingers. Alright, I just finished filing. I'm gonna go ahead and buff up my nails and then wash my hands with water. Alright, so I just washed my hands. I poured out a few of these right here, these rhinestones. And I'm just gonna do some rhinestone placement on my pinky and on my thumb probably. So to help them stick on better, I'll use my Model 1's nail art glue. I'll put a layer of this on, a layer of top coat. I'm gonna use my stone picker to put them on, and then they get cured. So overall, I really enjoyed this kit. I thought it was great. I loved everything from the packaging to the colors that were chosen to the quality of the polygel. Makartt does a great job always with their polygel, so it was so easy to work with. The colors are so cute, definitely matched the aesthetic she was going for with the cotton candy theme. I thought the packaging was awesome too. Everything was sleek, it just coordinated together, and I really appreciated that you get so many different options for nail art. You get the rhinestones and the chrome powder and the glitters and even like the little gumdrop things. It was just so involved and I loved it. If you're in the position to get this kit and you also love Emily Susanah, I definitely recommend. It was definitely worth the money and she should be so proud of this kit. Pretty. Also very pretty. Here are how the nails turned out. I think that they are so cute. I love the way all the colors look together. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. That's all I have for you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.